And yes, you can. Hi friends, I'm Les Mood, your host. Welcome to the Energy Independent Show, where we cover product reviews, interviews, and hot news. According to greentechmedia.com, BP aims to build 50 gigawatts of renewables by 2030 and cut fossil fuel output by 40%. BP, which first revealed its net zero ambitions in February, says it will ramp up its annual low carbon investment from $500 million in 2019 to $5 billion per year by 2030, with an interim goal of $3 billion to $4 billion per year by 2025. Total capex for 2020 across all sectors is expected to be $12 billion. CEO Bernard Looney added that BP is not doing renewables for the sake of it or for the spin, but rather to create the integrated offering of firm, clean, affordable power, a further indication of how BP's activity in the power sector could look. BP will grow its electric vehicle charging points as well from 7,500 today to 70,000 by 2030. It also wants to build 10 to 15 energy partnerships with major cities across 3 core industries, supplying the power in-house where possible. According to AustinEnergy.com, Austin Shine's research for the U.S. Department of Energy is complete. Over the course of the project, Austin Shines undertook installing more than 3 megawatts of distributed battery energy storage, smart photovoltaic inverters, a distributed energy resource control platform, and other enabling technologies utilizing customer and utility locations and aggregation models. All of these resources were integrated and optimized at the utility level. DER, or distributed energy resources, assets, and control technologies achieved a credible pathway to system levelized cost of energy, LCOE, for energy delivered to loads at 14 cents per kilowatt hour or less by 2020, while maximizing distributed solar generation and maintaining acceptable standards of power quality. The project also established a template for other regions to follow to maximize the adoption of distributed solar power in support of an economic and efficient utility grid. According to spglobal.net, Bosch secures 100 gigawatt hours per year of solar power in Germany from 3 utilities. German technology and service company Bosch has secured the 100 gigawatt hours a year of solar supply of power through power purchase agreements with 3 utilities in Germany from 107 megawatts of subsidy-free solar plants, the company said August 5th. We are making faster progress than expected in improving the quality of our climate actions, Bosch CEO Volkmar Denner said. The company emitted around 1.94 million metric tons of CO2 worldwide in 2019, it said. Bosch intends to increase the share of renewable energy in its consumption significantly and aims to sign long-term power purchase agreements outside of Germany as well. Also, according to microgridknowledge.com, Southern California Edison detests using price signals with distributed energy resources. Southern California Edison will use transactive energy management software from Opus One Solutions to improve the dispatch of distributed solar panels using price signals. Opus, a startup based in Toronto, Canada, says its software combines a market management system with a participant interface to engage customers and establish operating schedules for distributed energy resources that can meet grid needs. Utilities need a way to effectively accommodate more clean distributed energy on their grids as the push for decarbonization of the industry accelerates, said Mark Horman, Opus One Vice President of US Sales. A market-based approach which brings time-varying prices to resources based on their location helps achieve these goals while opening up new revenue streams for utilities and their customers. According to microgridknowledge.com, how solar nanogrids help solve the challenge of variability on the grid. Working together, solar nanogrids can achieve even greater efficiencies than they do individually. A number of projects are underway that aggregate or pool power from batteries in nanogrids. These demonstrate what solar installers can achieve with nanogrids. While selling power to the grid from nanogrids may sound like science fiction, a number of factors are coming together to help make these ideas a reality. Solar installers and homeowners are important players in this future. One alternative using nanogrids when solar production is too high would look like this. Homeowners with nanogrids would continue normal operation, but they would give the utility access to empty batteries that could absorb the excess power. And that's it for the hot energy news. If you're considering a nanogrid or a microgrid for your property, contact us today at sunestimator.com, where you can get a free online quote at a safe distance. Again, thank you for joining us. Feel free to like, comment, share, and follow, and we'll see you soon.